Hey everyone. So today I'm working on this old laptop I got for my wife many years back. It's a Dell Inspiron. Nothing too fancy, but definitely solid for everyday use. She used to take it to her in-person night classes, but recently it's been making this loud, obnoxious noise that sounds like a jet engine. The fan's gotten so noisy that it was impossible for her to use during class without worrying about annoying her classmates and professors. Eventually, she got so fed up with the noise that she handed the laptop over to me and started looking for a new fancy replacement. So I was tinkering with this laptop and noticed something odd. When I flipped it upside down, the noise actually got quieter. So if I was going to keep using this laptop, I thought why not try fixing the fan? That's exactly what I'm going to show you today. How to replace a noisy laptop fan and bring the machine back to life. Now, before we get started, you need to find out your laptop's model number. If you don't know what it is, just flip your laptop over and check the backside. It's usually printed there. If it's not, you can always boot into the BIOS to find the model name, like I'm doing here. Once you've got that, you're ready to search for the replacement part. For mine, I hopped onto Amazon and searched for a Dell Inspiron 5570 fan replacement. After scrolling through a few options, I found one that matched. A couple of days later, it arrived at my doorstep. Alright, let's get to the fun part. Before you do anything, make sure your laptop is turned off. You don't want any surprises. Now, we'll unscrew the screws on the back casing. There are a few of them, so try not to lose any of these little guys. You'll thank yourself later. And if your laptop is like mine, it might still have a CD-ROM drive. Yep, I know it's very old, so we'll have to remove that as well. Once all the screws are out, you can gently pop off the bottom casing. Don't worry if it takes a little force. Just be gentle enough not to break anything. And now, here it is, the noisy fan in question. Next, I'll disconnect the old fan. It's plugged into the motherboard with this little cable. So carefully unplug that. As you can see, the new fan looks almost identical to the old one. So I'm feeling pretty confident this is going to work. Now I'll snug the fan into place and make sure the cable is tucked neatly into the holders so it's not flopping around. Then I'll screw everything back in place and put the back casing back. Oh, in the right direction, obviously. We'll put the CD-ROM drive back in. And finally, the screws go back in. And done. Moment of truth. Let's see how it sounds now. Oh wow, listen to that. Or rather don't. It's whisper quiet. Seriously, this one feels brand new again. Funny enough, I showed my wife this laptop again, and my wife was so happy with it, she decided to take it back for her night classes. And to be honest, this video was shot in November 2023, so it's been almost a year since this repair. The laptop, and more importantly, the fan, has been behaving nicely ever since. It's still quiet, which makes my wife happy, and that's a win for me too. So if your laptop sounds like a vacuum cleaner, and you don't want to drop $1,000 on a new one, maybe try to replace fan first. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, or just enjoyed watching me fumble around with screws, please hit that subscribe button, give this video a like, and leave a comment. I would love to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.